Hi guys, today's video will be opening something that was banned a while back. I'm not sure how long, but a long time. And it's called the Kinder Joy. Now they originally were called Kinder Surprise, but now they renamed them Kinder Joy. They were supposed to come back, actually they did come back on, what is that day? The day after Thanksgiving. Oh, Black Friday at Walmart. They were supposed to come out on Black Friday at Walmart, but they didn't come out to our Walmart. So yeah, I've been waiting and looking online. I couldn't find them anywhere. You can buy them on eBay, but I wasn't gonna buy them on eBay. And I found them at Walmart about 2 days ago, which I guess people were looking at me because I was super excited in the aisle because I found them. But anyways, they are little eggs that you open up, and in the middle there's a little toy surprise.
What's the egg made out of?
It is made of sweet cream topped with cocoa wafer bites. Kind of almost sounds like the other one that we like, that wafer. Oh, I can't think of the name. Yeah, but so this company that makes this is originally was by Ferraro. I think it's Ferraro, and that's the same one that does the Rocher.
Yeah,
that's the one he likes. I don't like that. He loves it. That's a little round one with like
the gold foil wrappers
and nuts on the outside. Yeah, usually around Christmas time that comes out. But yeah, we have 6 of them, so we have 3 each, and I don't know. We'll just mix them up and we'll pick.
Hopefully they're all different toys.
Yeah, hopefully and not all the same.
Similar.
Yeah, on the internet I also saw somebody they had a boy and girl one. One was pink and one was blue, but we didn't have that at the store. It was just like this.
We got the orange one.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Okay, you want to open it up?
Gender.
Oh, and it says it doesn't say anything about. Oh, it says small parts not for children under 3, and that's the reason why they banned it, was because I believe 3 or 4 children choked on the candy that was in the middle. I'm not sure if they didn't know that there was candy in there and they ate it, because it's in the middle of the candy. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. I'm excited because I've been wanting to open one of these for like years, but they were banned. Like I said, you could get them off eBay, but I wasn't gonna buy it off of eBay.
Wow.
It's separate. So I'm not sure if the original was maybe
one big piece.
One big piece, and then they.
Yeah, the candy was actually. I mean, the toy was actually inside the candy.
Yeah.
This one, it feels like toy on one side and candy on the other.
Yeah, I guess that's for a safety thing. But I was kind of hoping that it would be in the middle where you'd break the egg. But let's look at the. This must be
candy, I think, first.
Yeah.
That's what mine feels like.
And it has like a little. Is this a spoon? That's.
Spoon? Oh, maybe.
Yeah, is that a little spoon? Yeah, it's a spoon.
Yeah. Wow.
So I guess you scoop.
I thought it was just the shape of a person fancy thing on there. It looks kind of like a person's head and shoulders. It does.
Yeah, it does, but I mean.
This way is if you're eating nicely, and this way is if you just want to shove it.
Yeah. He'll be eating that way. Open this up.
Let's see what this is like. Oh, wow, there's...
Wow, it looks like the little roast.
It looks like an egg in a nest or something.
It smells good. It looks like the little Rocher egg things, but except it doesn't have the white.
It does smell good.
The white nut. You know, the white. I don't know what kind of nuts is that on outside. Is it hazelnuts or something on outside?
It smells like hazelnut though.
I bet you that's what it is. I'll just try it.
I'll try this cream stuff first. Oh, there's some chocolate down below inside. You see it? I don't know if you can see that on the bottom where it dug out.
Tastes like Nutella.
Yeah, there is chocolate in it. Below the eggs.
That's Nutella. Is that Nutella? I love Nutella.
Wow. That's really good together.
Let's go eat one of the bowls. See? Oh my god, this thing is so good. I didn't think it was going to be this good.
The little part is like the Rochers. Very light and airy. and the outside is very crunchy. Oh, it's yummy.
Wow. I could get addicted to this. Never mind about the toy. But yeah, there were $1.50 each.
Tastes really good.
Oh my
That
goodness.
cream with the chocolate filling, that Nutella-like filling.
This ain't Nutella, yeah? Let me see. It's got a like a without the topping on it, it's like the wafer thing in the middle. See the white ball.
The bottom is blank. There
Yeah.
isn't any.
Any
Here's a look at
covering.
what the bottom looks like without the. That's the part that actually faces into the, I guess, the chocolate and the cream sauce or. It's around there. Oops.
So good it flew out of his hand.
It's yummy.
A lot of stuff been flying out of our hand. Remember the time a few weeks ago I was putting on my eyeliner? Remember when you were on the bed and it flew out of my hand?
The eyeliner?
Mm-hmm.
I remember.
It made like such a big noise and it, I don't know what happened, but he was like, what happened? I said, I don't know. My eyeliner flew out of my hand. It's not like I hit it or anything. It was just really weird. So that reminded me of that. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, on to the toy.
It's toy time. Half an egg.
I have chocolate all over my mouth.
Yep. Nope. Wow. Toy is pretty big.
Wow.
I'm surprised you could fit such a big toy in there. Oh, you gotta assemble it.
You got a good one.
It's like 4 different pieces.
Oh, these are good toys.
It looks like some kind of viewer or something.
It comes, I'm not sure if this is, I guess these are instructions.
There's a little the barcode to scan, and I'm sure it probably takes you to like the
Website. And then it has like this little, I guess, this must be like the background. And mine is a little, what is this, a leopard? I'm not sure what it does.
It has the instructions how to put it together, and the other side is a visual how many crystals you can find in the picture, and it has the
Ooh.
UL, I think that's Unielectric stamp on it, safety stamp.
Mine is, you put it like so on the background, as a background, and there's like this lever, and you put it on this on the top, and then you kind of do this, and it'll make it, I guess, supposedly move. We'll try it. It's not working. I bet you a 5-year-old would get this really quick. But yeah, the toys are cute. Well, is yours a magnifying glass?
I think so, but the fit is not real.
I want the
Oh, there you
magnifying
go.
glass.
It snapped in. Oh no, it just came right out.
Remember the magnifying glasses you could get with the Cracker Jack?
No, but I remember a whole bunch of toys with
That was
Captain
a-
Crunch,
No,
Crunch
Cracker
Berry,
Jack.
and I used to like the peanut butter Captain
Oh,
Crunch.
peanut butter is the best.
I'm not sure what you do with this thing.
Well, let's move on to the next one. Gonna grab an egg?
You can go ahead. I'm trying to figure this thing out.
Okay.
Oh, I guess if you put what it is you can put items on this lower piece, like a leaf, and then you put this is a magnifying glass, and you can look at it and see all the veins in it, or all the detail
Yeah.
in the leaf, or whatever you put under there. It's
Put like
almost
a
little.
bug.
It's not a microscope, but it's a little magnifying glass that kind of does something similar to a microscope.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I'll use that. Are you gonna eat your candy again?
I was
from
thinking
here?
about not eating the candy and
Me neither.
going on to the toy. We can save the candy for later.
Because we might end up getting sick.
That's the candy side of
Oh
it.
yeah. So we need to keep this part.
Just
Keep
keep it out
this.
there.
Let me see. Oh, what's
Wow,
this?
there's got a lot of little pieces in there. Oh, so does mine.
This one I think is like, what is this?
It looks like a pair of rollerblades or something. Yeah.
Mine looks like a little,
Oh, I think I know what this is.
robot thing.
Well, one side there's a puzzle. What do you call it? Maze. And the other side is the directions to it. And what it looks like is a pair of inline roller skates that you put together and you put them on your fingers and then you can go and cruise around this maze with.
Oh, this thing, I don't think it can snap in. Look. It's supposed to snap in.
Yeah, I can help you with that now.
Oh,
My fingers are gonna be a little big for this, but
there, I got
maybe yours
this.
can fit.
One.
Here's what the little rollerblades look like. Maybe
Mine's
your
like a
fingers
little,
It's like a robot almost.
I'm not too thrilled about this one.
That might be a boy toy.
Oh, there's no such thing as a boy and a girl. I mean, girls might want to play with this too.
True that.
But, I mean, seems
For you,
kinda-
I think you're more interested.
Oh, I'm a girly girl.
You can play with the rollerblades.
I think I like this one
Put your
better.
fingers in it. You're supposed to put your fingers in it and then like skate around.
What?
Yeah, look.
Oh,
You put your fingers in and go. Shh. Wow, you're so good at it. And look, you haven't fallen.
good thing because I won't be able to get up.
Lots of surface on there to skate.
So that's this one. Not-
Since we're playing with our toys.
Let me check that out. There's so much makeup, Kinder. Come on, let me see. No.
We're gonna go look for bugs.
Alright.
Okay, on to the next one.
One left.
That one was.
Yeah, my skating one was so too. It's not. I wasn't really interested in it. Comes with a little caution kind of cone thing that you bend. It's just
Like a little-
where you skate around it. It's supposed to be like a cone.
I don't know, that seems kind of boring.
Chocolate side. Scoop. And toy. What joy.
Yeah, so it's called Kinder Joy. Happy,
Oh,
happy.
it's a different one. Wow,
Joy, joy.
we got different toys in all of them.
Oh my god, you got the same
you got
as
the
me.
same one.
Oh.
What you mean I got the same as you? No, this is a cat or a leopard or something.
See, he wasn't paying attention. That's the same.
Oh my
it's a
goodness,
different
you got
cat.
that? I knew. When did you open that?
That was the first one.
I didn't see that. Oh my goodness. Do you know how to work it?
No, but you can, now you can show me how. I thought you just put this on the bottom here. And then you put this like this, and then you do
Fling
this.
Yours doesn't work so well. Let me tell you about the panther. Oh, it has some facts about panthers on one side of the directions. And then the other side is how they play with it. So let's see what we got. There's a little background or, oh, actually you use the panther and you hit down these this wall and each one is so many points.
Oh, is that
Each
what
of these,
it
yeah,
is?
you fold it back and they become little targets for the
Oh,
panther.
you know what I thought it was? I thought it was a distance thing. Like you put it on the side and you flick it and it'll, if you pass it, that's how far you, you went.
Well, I'm sure you could stagger them back.
Yeah, this is the same as the last
You
one
see
I
the
had,
picture?
except the colors are different. Yeah.
Trying to hit it down. And I think you were not too correct with the. It looks like you're doing it the opposite way. The part that you put your finger in is here. You put the little kitty in the
There's
front.
mine.
So there's a little spot where you put your finger in, where my finger is, to hold it down to the table, and then you put the panther there, and then you pull back this little arm, and you let it fling the panther. Doesn't seem like you'll shoot very far, but. It shows in the picture. Oops. Where'd my directions go?
Mine's flew.
You did?
Watch.
Where'd my panther paper go?
This is not
I've
really.
lost my panther paper. There it is.
Yeah.
That part, well, he moves like not very far.
But
What if you did that?
this is really
What if you did
good.
that?
Oh, what'd you do?
So you lock it back behind the
Oh,
little
that's
arm.
what it's supposed to do. Okay, I'll try my one more
So
time.
you go and you lock this little arm back behind the portion that's sticking up. I don't know if you can see that little lump right there. And then when you're ready to fire, do that and then
And
just
then
flick
you,
forward.
how you flick it forward?
Yeah, just push this finger forward till it hits that arm.
Like that?
You want your panther a little more this way. So push on this underneath, on the bottom of that with your fingernail. You did it! You're a champion. Here, let me show you how it's done.
Wow, you even can do
My
gymnastics.
panther flies through the air. Yeah. You ever wonder if a panther can ride skates? Maybe it's jet rollerblades.
Remember that
Ran out of
commercial when they
fuel.
have all the adults sitting around and having like, you know, like a conference or something, and then they talking to, oh, that Haribo gummies, and they talking to little kid's voice.
Playing with it.
Okay, so the toys are,
So cheapy.
I mean, yeah.
Kind of, sort of Cracker Jackish, I guess you could say.
how do you think the instructions are to you?
Pretty basic.
You can understand them really easy. I mean, as far as it being a child trying to understand this.
It's just pretty much pictures. Yeah, I think.
I guess the toys are simple
Yeah.
enough to figure out, but the best part is this.
Yes, the candy and stuff is.
I'll definitely buy this just for the candy. It's really, really good. It's if you like Nutella, you'll love this.
If you could find out where to get the cream flavored one, you could just make your own and you get the those balls made by the same company.
The Rocher?
Rocher.
Yeah.
Those, and then you put some Nutella. And
Those are expensive though. Those balls. I mean, it's like
yeah, they're bigger and there's like a whole tray of them, all separately wrapped.
I think 12 of those over here is like $14 for the container. It's kind of expensive. That's why you have to wait till after Christmas and you can get the 50% off. I'm cheap. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching us open the Kinder Surprise Kinder Joy eggs. I always wanted to do it, so I'm happy.
More candy for later.
Yeah, the candy to me was worth it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Go bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Leave. Okay.
Bye.
Time to go.
Adios, amigos.